First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range, oh, a brand new range, oh.
Welcome back to the Rohan Aru's The Xplore Mindz podcast. As your educator, I often hear that students say, "Sir, I just don't have enough time to study everything." Between school, tuition, extracurriculars, and family, it feels like there aren't enough hours in the day. But here's the game changer. It's not about how many hours you study. It's about how effectively you use those hours. Today, we turn you into a time management ninja. This is maximizing your study time, effective strategies for efficiency. Many students believe if they just sit with their books open for 5 hours, they are studying effectively. But what are you actually doing? Are you passively rereading notes? Or are you checking your phone every 5 minutes? That's not efficient. That's just occupying a chair. We need to distinguish between passive study and active study. What is passive study? Rereading, highlighting everything, simply listening without engagement, low retention. But what is active study? Testing yourself, explaining concepts aloud, creating flashcards, solving practice problems, summarizing in your own words. Of course, high retention. The goal isn't to add more hours, it's to make every minute an active minute. My top 2 strategies for making every minute count. First, the Pomodoro Technique. This is incredibly simple and powerful. Step 1. Choose a task. For example, complete 10 physics practice questions. Step 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes. This is your Pomodoro. Step 3. Work with intense focus. Absolutely no distractions. Close all tabs, put your phone away. Step 4. When the timer rings, stop. Take a mandatory 5-minute break. Get up, stretch, or grab water. And step 5. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break, 20 to 30 minutes. This technique trains your brain for intense, focused bursts, making you incredibly efficient. The next one, study blocks. For bigger projects or deeper work, sometimes 25 minutes isn't not enough. Identify your peak time. When are you most alert? Morning, after lunch? Schedule your hardest subject for those times. Okay? You can time box it. Instead of study maths, commit to maths 9 a.m. till 10:30 a.m. Working on chapter 3 integration problems. Give it a start and earn time and a specific goal. This turns blur intentions into a concrete action. Efficiency isn't just about working hard, it's also about resting smart. Okay, first, strategic breaks. It's not a distraction breaks actually. Your 5 minutes Pomodoro breaks are for rest, not for scrolling social media. Scrolling is mental stimulation, not rest. Get up, look out the window, do some light stretching, have a healthy snack. Your brain needs to disengage to recharge for the next focused burst. The study environment audit. First, declutter. A messy space leads to a messy mind. Clear your desk of anything not related to your current task. Then lighting and sound. Ensure good lighting. Do you work best with complete silence or soft instrumental music? I love music. Experiment to find your optimal auditory environment. And minimize digital distractions. You can use website blockers, put your phone in another room or turn off notifications. This builds on our procrastination playbook in episode 7. Remember? And stop thinking you need more hours. You need more focused hours. By implementing the Pomodoro technique, structuring your study blocks, taking strategic breaks, and optimizing your environment, you'll discover you have more effective study time than you ever thought possible. And guys, thank you for tuning in to Rohan Aru again. And guys, Thank you for tuning in to Rohan Aru's Xplore Mindz podcast. Next week, we are helping you to tackle exam with confidence, exam ready, mastering revision, and test taking strategies. Don't miss it. Until then, keep exploring your potential. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you. Bye.
First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range. Oh, a brand new range. Oh, second thing, second doom, say